Hey, I've just finished shaving for the first time with this Dollar Shave Club razor. As you can see, it was a nice smooth cut, no nicks, no cuts, and it went faster than the other razors that I've been using. But let me take you back to the beginning. Okay, today we're gonna try out some new razors. These ones are from the Dollar Shave Club. So this is what comes in the box right here. You get the razor handle itself. It's got a nice ergonomic grip through here. It's got another nice ergonomic grip through here. Looks like it has a release point right here for the razors. Has another ergonomic grip right here, and overall it feels like a nice heavy duty razor blade. So let's see what else we get. It looks like this is going to cover up our razors for us when they're actually on the blade. That's how you open it up right there. I figured it out. It's going to close around them, I assume. And it looks like here we have the actual blade. So let's get them out of this little sleeve here. You can see that it comes with 4 of them in this kit. Now it's going to be really easy to set this up. I'm sure I've done this with other razors. You're just going to pop it in. Let's see, pop it in. Maybe it goes the other way. Maybe this way. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to pull out the razor like that. And you can see we have a lubricating strip right here, this white one. And then we also have a lubricating strip right here, this blue one. Excuse my inability to speak. Then we have 4 blades in here, nice stainless steel blades. It has a pivoting head too. Basically, it goes all the way flat, so that's really nice. Let's go try this out. And as you can see, we got a nice 5 o'clock shadow to work with all through here, all through here. Let's go see if we can get rid of all this hair. Okay, here we go. I'm all lathered up. Oh yeah, it's just tearing through my hair right there. You see that? Looks great so far. Well, it feels great. I can't really tell because I'm filming myself in the camera, but it feels great how it's shaving. Really quick and easy and smooth. And the hair comes right off the blade too, nice and clean, even after all those swipes. Okay, let's carry on. So I've actually been using some disposable razors before I got these, and I got to tell you that these are much smoother, they're going much faster, and it feels like it gets a much better cut so far. So there's definitely a huge difference between these and disposable razors. You can see how just in like a swipe or two, it just takes out all that hair right there. Really nice razor so far. But I'm still interested to see how it's going to work on my mustache and on my chin. That's the most difficult part of my face to shave, like most men, I think. Oh yeah, it's really working. I can tell that it's going quickly through my mustache. Usually this takes me a lot of time with the disposable razor, but no, it feels like it's getting all the hairs very quickly. See that? Now right in here, there's a few more left over. Let's try to get those. Okay, up in the nose too. Some tricky hairs up there. Seem to get all these hairs up through here, maybe a few more. Yep, did a good job getting my tricky hairs. Sometimes there's tricky hairs up through here and here and here. Seems to have gotten all of them so far, so let's head over to the chin. I love how easy that was. That's usually a difficult move for me. Let's go along the ridge of the chin here, see how well that works. All right, I think I'm done shaving. I don't really have a mirror right here. I'm just kind of looking into my camera lens over here so I can see my face as I'm shaving and show it to you as well. But I think I'm all done. And what I like most is that, look, the blade's nice and clean. It doesn't stick with any hairs or hang on to them or anything like that. So we're going to be able to reuse this blade a bunch of times as long as it keeps cleaning itself off like that. I really appreciate that. And now to keep our razor safe that we're done, we just put it in this case, click, and there you go. We can put it in our toiletry bag.